So we start out today's video with someone who has very long hair. Wow. Her hair is past her waist, I'd say about tailbone length or so, and is braided. So she's probably been growing her hair for like a really long time. So there the hair is unbraided. You can see that it goes past the salon chair. It's so long. The stylist has the clippers and bam, a shoulder length bob. Wow, what a transformation. Definitely takes courage to cut off that much hair. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more hair transformations. So here we have someone with turquoise colored hair. Wow, this is such a unique hair shade. And of course, she chopped off the hair and got a bob. Very nice. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have yet another long to short hair change. So she's letting the stylist know how short she wants to go. Cutting off quite a bit of hair here. She got more of like a nice low maintenance length. Ooh, very nice. I love the simplicity of this style. She got some face framing curtain bangs. Very pretty. Next up, we're back in the salon chair with someone who has hair just past their shoulders. Pow pow, another beautiful bob. Gorgeous jaw length bob at that. Very nice. And then we have a DIY butterfly haircut. So 2 years ago during the pandemic, everybody was doing like these DIY butterfly cuts and wolf cuts. And to be honest, some of them were like really good. I think I have a whole video showcasing my reaction to some of them. So if you want to check that out, be sure to check that out. Actually, I'll try to link it in the info box. So the key to really pulling off this look is placing the hair into the ponytails and then sectioning them so that you get different lengths for each ponytail as you cut the hair down. And make sure that you don't cut that top portion too short. But she did an amazing job here, and she has a nice, freshly layered hairstyle. All right, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out these styles so far. I'm gonna leave you to check out the rest.